Hey guys, today I'm back with these awesome space snails for you. I created these using another of my favourite polishes. This is called Luna from Cirque Colors. It's awesome because it's a thermal. It turns light blue when it's warm and it turns dark purple when it's cold. I will also be using a large selection of hollow polishes. So, let's do this. So I started off with painting my nails with 3 coats of Luna. And then with my Born Pretty, it's the BP-170 plate and a black stamping polish. I'm stamping the one that looks like Saturn. So leaving it on the stamper, I'm just filling in the rings with silver polish. And a orange for the planet part. And then leaving that to the side to dry, I'm just using a makeup sponge and a glossy top coat. And then dabbing that on my nails to create a sticky base, for which that dried decal I will just stamp on my nail. And then here I am with that same plate, just stamping the one that looks like Earth. And off camera I removed the rings around the outside because I didn't like that part. So with the bit that just looks like Earth, I'm filling in the grassy lands and parts with green, and then I'm filling in the water with blue, obviously. And again with a sponge and glossy top coat, I'm creating a sticky base and then just stamping that dried decal on. And back with that same plate, I'm just stamping the rocket ship in black. Leaving it on the stamper, I'm just filling in the little glass parts with blue and the fire orange. And the tip of the rocket ship red. And then the rest of it with a silver hollow. And then just creating that sticky base again. I stamped on the rocket ship. Now finally, I'm just stamping the little alien spaceship. And then filling in the little glass bubble in blue. And a little accent with red. And then the saucer, a silver hollow. And again, sticky base. When the decal's dry, stamp it on. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these cool holographic and thermal outer space galaxy nails. And sorry I didn't get any footage of it going from warm to cold because that just took too long to set up. So I just ran my hand under the tap to give you a little bit of the thermal change. Because this one's a lot more, not as sensitive as La Vie en Rose, my last thermal tutorial. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!